Previously on my African adventures, you saw us leave Takoradi secondary Ghana where I ate correct banku. Now we're on our way to offshore Niger. We have a job to do in the deep offshore Nigeria, in one of Nigeria's most productive oil fields. We anchored at sea to pick up some guys and supplies. Day or night, what goes on? It's a 247 something out here. You already know what my life offshore looks like, so I'm not going to bore you with details of that, only snippets in this video. It's barbecue time! Oh my god! It's barbecue time! It's barbecue time! Woo. Super lion.
Right, very here.
Seafood, fish fillet, whatever. We worked hard, had as much fun as you can have offshore. The Filipinos entertained us with some karaoke. When it comes to karaoke, Filipinos know they carry last. They are the best. In fact, it's their national sport. All of them are so good at it. Oliver! Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. It's not every day that you have a barbecue on board. It's rare. Most of the time you're in the North Sea where it's cold. You can't have a barbecue. In Africa, you may not have the time depending on the project. Because we are working offshore Nigeria with a good number of Nigerians on board, the chief steward on this vessel is kind enough to make efforts to prepare Nigerian food for us. So much that Friday is Nigerian food day. It looks like party jollof or smoky party. Jollof rice on the menu and plantain. And next week will be egusi soup. Captain, you need to try plantain. Have you ever tried it before?
I haven't tried.
You will? Yeah.
You tried to kill me.
Ah!
The jar of rice is not that very spicy.
Not spicy, so that the captain will be alive.
Some seafood salad.
Egusi soup and gari. Why is it written twice? That's how we live out here, and before you know it, it's time to go home. It's crew change day, yay! That right there has been our home for the past 6 weeks. Bye bye Flotel, see you in 6 weeks. Yes, we are coming back to this job in 6 weeks. Look at that long beach in the Niger Delta region. Madre, I just want to go there and dip my bare feet in the sand. Next, we get on this charter flight to Lagos. If I tell you the amount of time I spent teaching my colleagues to call it Lagos instead of Lagos. Lagos, we are flying to Lagos. No, hold it there. It's Lagos.
This is one of those opportunities where I get to stay some days in Lagos because, we are flying through here.
Harry, smile for camera.
I asked them to book my flight on a later date and I get to see family, run some errands. First, I went to lock my hair. It's long overdue for locking. The last time I locked it was about this time last year. Finally, I'm getting it relocked.
Show your apron.
I also used the opportunity to paint my nails. 6 weeks old polish. Look at that. Just look at. What is this? My locks are back to life. Yay! Next, I went to do something crazy. I'm still laughing at myself. We will talk about this another day because I don't get energy now. Just look at my brows. Just look at. It's a whole roller coaster experience that I'm still suffering till now. If you want to hear all about it, just let me know. Inugo? Then I went to Oyimbo Market. But first of all, just look at a road in the commercial capital of the most populous city in Africa. This street is very close to the airport, where all the hotels are. The first thing a visitor will see when they come in. I talked about this road back in 2019. 7 years ago. Back then, I was complaining that it has been over 15 years this road had been like this. Till today, as I speak to you right now, a total of 22 years, this road is still like this. Please, those of you defending this atrocity back then, explain it to me like I'm 3 years old. Why this road has not been built up till today? A road that is not up to 1 kilometer long. Anyway, as I was saying, I went to Oyimbo Market to buy Odara. Truth be told, it's only Udara that brought me here because I don't really need any food items from Niger. But I used the opportunity to buy some other things.
Happy New Year.
I wish you the same.
How now?
Don't
be.
Yeah.
From where?
Don't fat well. You are looking sweet. Look at your body. Don't be.
I don't fat up. Mommy, sorry.
You look like leper before.
I did leper before.
Don't chop up. Money don't come.
Money don't come.
Yeah.
So, you know, say fat no be good thing. But I didn't say I dey old. I don't dey old.
No, but you put more weight. How is everybody? How is
Fine. And your own? How is business?
You are managing.
Every time you dey manage for years.
Now,
if we go your house and you don't build this kind of mansion, but you go
Amen.
After a few days in Lagos, it's time to go home to my babies. You see that temporary terminal sign? Pay attention to it. This trip happened back in March when Terminal 1 got burned, and it was the period they moved KLM and Air France. I don't know about other airlines, but I'm sure about KLM and Air France to the temporary terminal, and it was chaotic. So if you're flying with these two airlines, like I said, I'm not sure about other airlines, if other airlines were moved there. You go to that terminal by going right. This clip was made back when they moved here newly. Back then there were no shops to buy food and drinks, but when we came back this time, it's more organized with shops. If you want to go to the lounge, there's an access to Terminal 2 lounge from here. Just ask the airport staff.
The fasten seatbelt sign will be switched off soon. However, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. If you use a blanket, please fasten your seatbelt visibly over your blankets. On this aircraft, you can make use of Wi-Fi. As a Flying Blue member, you can receive and send messages for free. If you're not yet a Flying Blue member, you can register via klm.com.
When flying with KLM, wherever you're going, you must reach Amsterdam first. Yeah, you must reach their hub first. So whenever I'm flying over Spain, I feel like saying Chalukopo, Spain, no wa. But sadly, I can't. Whenever I pass it here, I just wish that there's a parachute that I'll just take and drop to where I'm going. I need to first of all reach Amsterdam or Paris if it's Air France flight before coming back down. Got to Amsterdam, and before long, I was on my way to Spain. Landed safely in Madrid, and I am on my way home. Spain's landscape gets me every single time. From desert-like areas to mountainous areas to meadows. Oh my God, Spain has it all in terms of landscape. Back home now, these are my goodies from Niger. Number one, Udara. My main reason for going to Oyinbo market, remember? Back in March, Udara was still in season, so I chartered it. Till today that I'm uploading this video, I still have some Udara in my freezer. Good stuff, good stuff. Wanu. Spicy peanut butter. I can't even open it because it's so oily. There's peanut butter. Nedima, looking good. I'll tell you later. Ned just saw my eyebrows for the first time and was asking me about them. Eyebrows like owl. Where are your plantain chips? Your plantain chips. It's in my laptop bag. Plantain chips I bought for her. You see that? With a smile on her face. I bought other things. I didn't buy any vegetables. I still have vegetables. This one is stockfish, ground crayfish. What is this one? Pepper. Cayenne pepper, ground crayfish, stockfish. I didn't buy a lot of things, and I bought brown beans. Bye bye. See you soon.